Hello everyone, I have an unboxing today. This was $3 on eBay. I cannot believe it was $3. Maybe the seller made a mistake and meant to put like a lot more. But he shipped really quick too. I mean, it was like sent out. I hit it at like 3 a.m. in the morning when my notification went off on one of my saved searches, and he shipped it same day. So it was sent by Bytes and Notes LLC. Oh, well, let's open up the $3 toy. Or $3 slot pull. There we go. Cotty has to help. Pretty good packing job so far. Yeah, I've had one of these on my watch list for a while. Ugh. Well, that's that. And the box is empty. More for the recycle bin. God, he wanted out. Okay. Well, let's open this up. I'm going to take this apart. That's going to be a future teardown video. Probably won't do it in this video, but I want to see what they look like inside. So for $3 and shipping came like $12.30 shipping. It's worth it for the teardown content. That thing is a monster, man. Holy moly. So this is a Silicon Sculptor 3 BP Microsystems. I might take it apart today. Yeah, I don't have any of the adapters, but they pop up all the time on eBay. Calibration BP station number 1. A little glue residue, but that'll clean up nicely. I might pop the cover off here. Made in USA. I mean, this is way obsolete, but there's some things that the Zeltec won't do. You know, compare that to a Zeltec programmer. Here's a 5000. I mean, it's different. Okay, so let me find me a power plug. Power cord. It's not one. That's not one. I thought I had one. Figures. Well, hunt down a power cord. I know I got one close by. I just packed a bunch of them up too. Sheesh. That's the wrong style. Oh, I'm gonna go into the box. There's one. Okay, yeah, I'll power this up. See if it works. Even if it don't, I'm missing the cap of the button, but I don't care. Plug PC in. There we go. Jeez, I can't do anything today. I'm all fingers today. Okay, we are plugged in. Yeah. Definitely needs fans. Can you hear that? I think it's that fan. Well, let's see if it detected. Let's light the software up. I had the software pre-installed. No programmer attached. Well, programmer suite. Update driver. Nothing. Well, it detects, and I'm not going to listen to that. Whew. That was loud. I hope my audio's coming through good enough. So it's definitely has to be taken apart to fix those fans. Probably something just... Let's open this up. See, it looks like we're going to need a Phillips. Yeah, I think that's what's going to have to happen. So let's see what's inside this thing. We'll do a quick mini teardown. Yeah, let's plug that in again, and I will let you hear that. Take my mic off here. Oh, now it's... Okay. Well, let me give this a pause real quick here. Okay, Cotty was making noise. So, yeah, that was weird. But it passes, but now it's quiet. But we already got a screw out, so let's continue with this. Unplug it. Let's see what's inside one of these. I was always curious. Man, this thing is massive. Gotta take it. Gotta open it up for buggy check, anyways. There's power supply. It looks like it's like got a computer cards. It's got some memory. PC 2700 compliant. Intel DX4. This will have to be and this is going to have to be its own teardown. Yeah, what is that? 486 DX4 100. That's a little computer. So I wonder if it's got some sort of like embedded operating system or something. What these cards are. Yeah, this will have to be a definite dedicated teardown. This is powered up with the cover off. Ah, there's those again. Definitely is going to need fans. So, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, that's that fan. Yep. One fan. It's this fan right there. Okay, so one fan. What is that fan number? There, a 12-volt fan. Okay. But yeah, this is interesting. So it's a 486 PC. Gonna have to play with this, investigate it. So. Well, I'm gonna call that a successful unboxing of this silicon Sculptor. We'll do a complete total teardown where we take it all apart, and I'll post my blog page on it and a link in the description so you can see photos when I take all the photos here after the video's done. We'll catch y'all later.